what we have discussed in last lecture. हाँ जी बेटे.
Reduction of aromatic rings कर रहे थे.
Reduction of aromatic rings, and we have seen reduction of aromatic rings by using heterogeneous catalyst. That means by using either hydrogen with nickel or palladium or with iron by heterogeneous catalyst. Now next is we can also perform metal dissolving reduction of aromatic rings. Okay, we can also carry out their reduction by using dissolved metals. And this reaction is also called, we have discussed yesterday also, this reaction is also called
Birch reduction.
हाँ जी बेटे,
Birch reduction.
Birch reduction.
Birch reduction.
हाँ जी बेटे, से Birch reduction.
Birch reduction.
हाँ जी बेटे. So yes, suppose you have a benzene ring. If you carry out reduction of this benzene ring in presence of lithium and liquid ammonia or sodium with liquid ammonia, same thing. Okay. That case, only one double bond is reduced and you get this one. 1,4 cyclohexadiene. Okay, only one double bond is reduced. So this reduction is also a selective reduction. Similarly, if you have a naphthalene, and again, if you do Birch reduction with lithium and liquid ammonia or sodium with liquid ammonia, again, selective reduction take place and only one double bond is reduced. Get this product. So again, this is 1,4 dihydronaphthalene. Why 1,4? Because you can see at the position number 1 and position number 4 reduction has been taken place. So let us see the mechanism of this reaction. Now, what will be the first step? If you want to write down the mechanism, a naphthalene वाला question है, ये थोड़ा exam दे विच भी आया हुआ है, 1 mark question. Now, if we want to look mechanism, so how reaction will start it? First of all, lithium metal is taken in ammonia. ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੋ
Yeah.
lithium metal liquid ammonia ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ dissolve ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ to give rise to
Lithium positive.
lithium positive and electron solvated
Electron.
ammonia
Ammonia.
molecules, and this will be of blue colored solution. It is blue colored solution because of these electrons which are surrounding these ammonia molecule. Because of that, this color of this solution is blue. And if you keep this solution for some time, what will happen? This will get decomposed to color.
NH2 लागू हो जाएगा.
NH2 लग जाए, colorless हो जाए आपको.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. To give rise to a colorless solution. Now, earlier told you, whenever you perform a reaction with metals like lithium, sodium, or potassium, your reaction always follows single electron transfer process in which there is a formation of free radicals. So same thing will happen over here. So this is your benzene ring, and this benzene ring, it will take a from this solution. Okay, it will take an electron from this solution. So suppose now, since all positions are equivalent, so suppose this electron goes to the carbon and this pair of electrons it shifts to this carbon. So like half-headed arrow, another is full-headed arrow. So you will radical
anion बन जाएगा anion.
anion. Okay, ਇੱਥੇ ਉੱਪਰ radical ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ
Yes sir.
okay, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਜਿਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਕੋਲ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ anion ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ. Then this radical anion will be stabilized by resonance.
Resonance.
Can shift over here, this will shift over here. So that will be another resonance structure. And then third one, this can shift over here. So this will remain over here, negative charge will come over here, this double bond and this double bond. So you get 3 resonance structures. Now out of these 3 resonance structures, which radical anion is more stable?
Second.
Which one?
Second वाला sir.
Second wala.
Second wala. This one has maximum stability. Why? Because this single electron, it is also negatively charged. This pair of electron, they are also negatively charged. So when they are close to each other, when they are on adjacent positions, when they are close to each other, they are going to repel each other. That will reduce their stability. So they try to be at maximum distance from each other. And in this structure, they are at maximum distance. Okay, so this structure is most stable. Okay, so you will get this structure, this radical anion, which is most stable. ठीक है, इसमें मैं सीधा करके लिख ले. Now, this radical anion reaction, this reaction is usually performed in presence of ethanol. So what this radical anion will do, it will take H plus ion from ethanol to give rise to free radical. What this free radical will do now? अगर alkyne वाला mechanism याद करो, same mechanism है, same sequence.
लिथियम तो इलेक्ट्रॉन ले लेगा.
Lithium वाला electron ले लोगे थोड़ी sir.
It will again take electron from this solution. So it will take electron and itself it will become anion. It will become anion. And finally, what this anion will do? This, हाँ बोलो.
So दोबारा को गलना करके H ले लूँगा उसको.
फिर दोबारा तो H ले लेगा from ethanol, जहाँ कोई भी proton source हो सकता है, to give rise 1,4
cyclohexadiene.
cyclohexadiene. This is your product. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
हाँ जी,
Yes, sir.
बाकी बच्चे बेटे clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us discuss effect of various substituent groups over benzene ring over this reaction. Now group केड़े हो सकते हैं benzene ring दे ऊपर? They may be electron releasing group. Suppose G is your group. G may be electron donating group, or it may be electron withdrawing group. Examples of electron donating group like simple methyl group, which release electrons by both plus R and plus I effect. You may have methoxy group, which has a electron donating capacity because of what? Hanji, methoxy, OH, OR, and halogens, they have an electron donating capacity on what ground?
Lone pair again.
Lone pair of electron.
By lone
Non-pair
pair of electrons. Halogens mostly अपन नहीं लिखना है. NH2. Because of presence of these lone pair of electrons, they have electron donating capacity. So basically they work by plus R effect. However, they have minus I effect also, which is less, which is negligible. While in case of electron withdrawing groups, you may have groups such as nitro group, a very strong electron withdrawing group, cyano group, okay, or other examples like nitro, cyano, carbonyl,
COH का carboxylic.
ketones, carboxylic. So all these kind of groups are electron withdrawing that work by plus R, minus R and by minus I effect. Where should we put halogens? Where should we put halogens? Electron donating group or electron withdrawing groups?
Electron withdrawing.
Withdrawing group सुने हैं sir.
Electron withdrawing. So why?
Withdrawing.
Because they usually do not show plus R effect. Why they do not show plus R effect? Because of mismatch of their orbitals. Here usually you have a 3p orbitals. ठीक है, मान लो चाहे ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ bromine है या chlorine है या iodine है, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ orbitals ਕੀ ਹੋਣਗੇ 3p 4p and their size is bigger as compared to orbitals on carbon ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ 2p orbitals ਨੇ. So they usually do not show plus R effect. However, they draw electrons by minus I effect. We put them over here. Now let us look this selectivity and reactivity. Select and reactivity. Now the general question is about reactivity. What kind of groups will increase reactivity? What kind
Electron withdrawing.
electron withdrawing groups
Withdrawing
will increase reactivity of these aromatic rings towards metal dissolving reduction. Very important point. Why these electron withdrawing group they will increase reactivity by stable what?
फिर stable कर देंगे sir उन्होंने ਜਿਹੜਾ extra electron है उसਨੂੰ करके.
They will stabilizing radical
Carbon.
anions. ठीक है, they will stabilize radical anions and therefore they will increase reactivity of aromatic rings towards Birch reduction. Very important point. Note कर दो, याद रखना है. Is it clear to all?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us discuss selectivity. Suppose you have an aromatic ring with electron donating group. Let us begin with the electron donating group. So suppose you have aromatic ring with electron donating group. Suppose you have methoxy, ठीक है ना, or in general G, which is a electron donating group, case 1. So what is the name of this molecule? Methoxybenzene. It's also called, what's the name of this molecule?
Anisole.
Anisole. This is anisole. ठीक है, तो ये भी पता होना चाहिए. Okay, so let us do its reduction with lithium, liquid ammonia, and ethanol. Two products are possible. One, if reduction take place over ipso position and para position. So you will get this product, which is a 1,4-dihydro product. Or reduction is possible at ortho position and meta position. In that case, you will get this product. So this is a 2,5-dihydro anisole, and this is 1,4-dihydro. 2,5. How 2,5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 2,5. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, when you do reduction in general, when there is electron donating group, 2,5 reduced product is always a major product, while 1,4 reduction product is always a minor product. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਰਿਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਐਰੋਮੈਟਿਕ ਰਿੰਗ ਦੀ by using in liquid ammonia and ethanol, what will happen if there is a electron releasing group, electron donating group, ਜਿਵੇਂ anisole, phenol, aniline, ठीक है, जिन्हां ते electron releasing group ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਏਗਾ, you will always get 2,5 reduction product as the major product and 1,4 reduction product as the minor product. Let us see why. Let us see why. So we have to look over the mechanism. So again, how reaction will start? ठीक है, पता है साਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, will get dissolved in liquid ammonia to give rise to solvated electrons, and these solvated electrons they will react with anisole. So you have anisole, कोई भी ਇੱਥੇ group ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ electron releasing ਹੋਵੇ, phenol, aniline, anything, and you have electron from solution. Two chances are there. This electron, okay, ये वाला electron है, this electron, it can attack on ipso position. Which is ipso position? एक बार ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀ, ਯਾਦ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ,
ਸਰ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਅਟੈਚਡ ਹੈ
Yes, sir.
ਇੱਥੇ group ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਵੇ. So this carbon is ipso carbon. So it can attack over this ipso carbon, single electron transfer can take place over this ipso carbon. Suppose this is pathway A, or it can attack at this adjacent carbon, ठीक है? Suppose this is pathway B. Now when it attack on ipso carbon, so this single electron, it goes to ipso carbon and this pair of electron goes to ortho carbon. So if we write pathway A, so this single electron, it goes to ipso carbon, okay, and this pair of electron, this goes to ortho carbon. So in that case, you have a methoxy group over here, and single electron will be here, negative charge will be here, double bond and double bond, and then this negative charge is stabilized by resonance. And finally, over here. This one. Now, out of these three resonance structures of pathway A, which resonance structure is most stable? Remember, this methoxy group, it has, or electron releasing group, it has plus R effect and minus I effect. And remember one thing more, this plus R effect operate equally at ortho and para position, but not at meta position. ਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ, ਦਿਮਾਗ 'ਚ ਬਿਠਾ ਲਓ.
Yes, sir.
Resonance effect ortho ਤੇ para position ਤੇ equally operate ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, but meta position ਤੇ operate ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ. Inductive effect maximum ortho ਤੇ, then meta and then para. Now, if you look over all these three structures, you can see negative charge ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ structure ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ meta position ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. That means ਜਿਹੜਾ electron releasing effect ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ negative charge ਨੂੰ destabilize ਕਰੇਗਾ, plus R effect negative charge ਨੂੰ destabilize ਕਰੇਗਾ, ਉਹ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹੈ. ਇੱਥੇ ortho ਤੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹੈ, para ਤੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਹੈ, ਫਿਰ ਇੱਥੇ ortho ਤੇ ਆ ਗਿਆ. That means plus R effect ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤਿੰਨਾਂ ਸਟਰਕਚਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ equally destabilize ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੀ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ?
Inductive minus I effect.
Minus I effect. even though minus I effect is more at this ortho position, that means minus I effect is more at this ortho position, but this negative charge and this single electron, they are present over adjacent position. So they are going to repel each other. So which structure is more stable? Which structure is more stable? Very easy.
सर बीच वाली
बीच वाली सर
Second. Why? Because here this negative charge and single electron, they are at maximum distance. In this structure, repulsion is very less. So here, this structure number 2 is more stable. Pathway A. If we consider pathway B, what will happen in that case? Single electron, it will goes to which carbon? In pathway B, single electron will go to which carbon?
फिर ipso they adjacent वाले थे.
This ortho carbon थे. ठीक है, pathway B की है, this single electron, it goes to this ortho carbon, and this pair of electron, it will go to ipso carbon. So you have an opposite situation. So here you have methoxy. So negative charge now will be over this position, ipso, and single electron will be over here, like this. Now this will again stabilized by resonance. So this negative charge, it will shift over here, and these pi electrons, they will shift over this carbon. So methoxy, single electron, double bond, negative. Then finally this. Now again question comes, which one is more stable out of these three structures in pathway B?
which वाली most stable है ਜਿਹੜੀ
केडी most stable है?
second one sir
Second one, again, this is most stable. And what is the reason over here? Suppose this is third, this is first, then again say let's say 4, 5. Now what is the reason here?
सर ਇੱਥੇ plus r effect ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ meta position ਤੇ ਹੈਗਾ negative charge.
Yes. The main reason is here your negative charge is present over meta position, and at meta position there is no plus r effect. ਇੱਥੇ plus r effect ਹੈ, okay, ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ plus r effect. Here you have a very large plus r effect. Now here also there is no plus r effect. So why this is not stable?
ਸਰ ਉੱਥੇ repulsion ਹੋਏਗੀ
Because this negative charge and single electron, they are at adjacent position. So here repulsion zyada hai. Here they are at maximum distance, so repulsion is very less. So when pathway B, this structure number 5 is more stable, and here this second structure is more stable. Next question come. So you will get one major product, another minor. Those structures में एक major देगी, एक minor देगी. Out of these two structures, which structure is more stable?
सर fifth वाली
बाकी बच्चे
फिफ्थ वाली सर फिफ्थ वाली
So out of second and fifth, this fifth is more stable. Why? Again, same reason. Because radical line is more stable. Is more stable in absence of plus R effect over meta position. So which one will give rise to a major product?
fifth one
Fifth one.
Fifth. So fifth structure will give rise to a major product. Okay, so this one will give rise to major product. So again, in presence of ethanol, it will take H plus ion. Then again it will take an electron from the solution to give rise to anion, and then that will again take H plus ion from proton source to give rise to 2,5 dihydro product as the major product. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
When
sir.
you have a minor product, that will be given by the structure number 2. So structure number 2 will give rise to minor product. And this is general case when any electron releasing group is present. Now, can you explain or can you write product when electron withdrawing groups are present? Situation will become opposite. So can you write down the mechanism when electron withdrawing groups are present?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this 1,4 is minor. So what will happen in case of electron withdrawing groups? Which product will be major?
Ipso, sir.
Ipso or 1,4
So 1,4.
dihydro. So in this case, 1,4 dihydro reduction product is major. So let us very quickly write down the mechanism. Same ही mechanism होएगा, सिर्फ group ਦਾ फर्क पै जाएगा. ठीक है, suppose you have benzoic acid. Okay, benzoic acid, and we have to do its reduction. So again, two situations are there. This electron goes to ipso carbon. This electron can go to ortho carbon. So if you consider pathway A first, ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ? नेगेटिव चार्ज कित्थे आएगा?
सेकंड कार्बन पे फर्स्ट कार्बन पे ipso position है सर. Yes, sir.
Okay. So then you have to write down resonance structures. कॉपी ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਖੁਦ ਲਿਖੋ ਜਲਦੀ ਨਾਲ. ਇੱਥੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ I have less than 5 minutes. Now which one is more stable?
Second one is sir.
Second one, sir. Second one.
Second.
Why? Because here you have a very strong minus effect which is same as that of ortho and position. ठीक है, ਇੱਥੇ भी minus are same है, ਇੱਥੇ भी minus are same है. ठीक है, but other thing is here both charges are at maximum distance, so they have a less repulsion between them.
Yes.
So this number 2 is more stable. And what will happen during pathway B? Where negative charge will come?
Fourth,
Ipso position से.
fourth पे सर.
हाँ जी, हाँ बेटे. So this will be stabilized by resonance. Now, which one is more stable?
Second one is
Which one is more stable?
fifth one.
The fifth one.
Sir.
Why fifth one? Why not this fourth one? Fourth ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਤਾਂ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟਲੀ ਉੱਪਰ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਵਿਡਰੋਇੰਗ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ
आपस में रिपल्शन काफी ज्यादा
Repulsion.
होगी ना
ਆਪਸ
Radical.
ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਰਿਪਲਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ ਇਹ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਦੇਖੋ 네ਗੇਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਐਡਜਸੈਂਟ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਤੇ ਪਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਗੋਇੰਗ ਟੂ ਰਿਪੈਲ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਕੇਸ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਸਟੇਬਲ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਵਾਲਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਏਗਾ ਉਹ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਉਹ ਆਏਗਾ ਜਦੋਂ 네ਗੇਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਸ ਤੇ ਹੋਣ ਨਾਓ ਆਊਟ ਆਫ these two structures, second structure and fifth structure, which will give rise to a major product which is more stable?
The second one.
Second one, sir.
Why? Because this is less stable. This is less stable because here you have no
R effect. Any minus R
of
effect.
your negative charges at meta position, so you have a no minus R effect. Here you have a minus R effect, so this is less stable as compared to number 2. So this number 2, which is more stable, it will give rise to major product. The pura reaction sequence you have to write down by yourself. I am writing just product. And this one will give rise to minor product. So is this clear or not to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Okay, so opposite things are there. When you have an electron releasing group over the ring, selectivity is 2,5 dihydro product. When you have an electron withdrawing group, selectivity is 1,4 dihydro product. Second thing is reactivity. Whenever there's an electron withdrawing group, you can see here electron withdrawing group will stabilize this negative charge much more as compared to electron releasing group. So when you have an electron withdrawing group, reactivity will be more in case of as compared to electron releasing group. ਤਾਂ ਅਗਰ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਰਿਐਕਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਮੈਕੈਨਿਜ਼ਮ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਨ ਵਿਡਰੋਇੰਗ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ ਤਾਂ since it's withdrawing electrons, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਾਰਬਨਾਈਨ ਬਣੇਗਾ radical anion ਬਣੇਗਾ, it is more stable in case of electron withdrawing and less stable in case of electron donating. So yes, any question over this?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so if I ask you a question, out of anisole and benzoic acid, which is more reactive towards reduction in this base reduction? Out of
Benzoic acid.
So benzoic acid ज़्यादा
of
reactive.
course benzoic
Benzoic acid.
when you have an electron withdrawing group. Okay, so I think this is enough for you for today. And who is absent over here today? 19 students are there. 2 students are not attending classes regularly. बेटे देखो इसनु जो देखो उसनु और कोई क्वेश्चन है तो पूछो जल्दी नाल मैं इना अटेंडेंस लेना जल्दी नाल देखो जे पूछो जे कोई क्वेश्चन है तो roll number 1 is absent today. हाँ जी बेटे पूछो जल्दी नाल दसो कोई क्वेश्चन है तो
No, sir.
Ria, are you there?